In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Klarna without credit and whether or not it is possible to do this. First, if you open up the latest version of the Klarna mobile app and you go to your wallet, whenever you try to create a new payment card, as you can see here by tapping on Add and then Create, you will be able to choose the store that you want to make the card for, input the payment plan that is best suited for you, and when you proceed to create a digital card for the store that you selected, what you will notice is that you will have to input a personal credit card. So when you tap continue and you get to the last step, you will have to add your own card details. If you do not have a credit card to add, or if your purchase power, aka your credit, is low and you cannot finish this purchase, is there any way to bypass this? Even if you go over all the way back and you shop through the list of stores listed here, whenever you tap the Pay with Klarna button that you can find over here at the bottom, you will get the same prompt. Once you include the amount that you want to spend, you will also have to add a credit card in order to finish this purchase. As of today, unfortunately, there is no workaround to this. If you do not have a credit card available to add when you try to create a new Klarna card, you will not be able to use Klarna to make payments on any stores, even if it is available during checkout. You can find more information regarding your credit by going over to your profile page, tapping this icon at the top right corner of the screen to access the Help Center. In here, they have plenty of articles dedicated to helping you understand and use Klarna, and one of them is the purchase power. If you select any of these articles, you will be able to get more info regarding your purchase power and what you can do to increase it alongside your credit. What they have to say as well is that their customer service is not able to increase purchase power and does not have any further information about this process. So unfortunately, as of today, if you do not have a credit card and you don't have purchase power available, you will not be able to use Klarna. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of your credit inside of Klarna and why it is not possible to use the system if you don't have a credit card or purchasing power available. I hope I was able to clear up any questions you had about how to use Klarna without credit. If this video cleared them up, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.